Chester Kennedy. I have the privilege of being the CEO of BRIDG. Today we get a chance to celebrate the completion of a 100,000 square foot office building here in NeoCity. This is a great addition to our campus and gives us the room to be able to add partners and allow those that are coming to take advantage of the BRIDG infrastructure. We have an office space that is in a Class A building and doing all of that right here in Osceola County.
So I'm Luc van Hoven, I'm the President and CEO of Imec. So we're here today to celebrate the inauguration of this new building. I think it will allow us to attract even more talent than what we have today. Talent which you can deploy this region really as a high-tech ecosystem.